tutorial for you guys is going to be this headband wig that I have on my head right now. I got it from Amazon, and the store that I got it from is Beautier Hair. I think it's Beautier Hair. I'll link it down in the description for you guys, but I believe it's Beautier Hair. And I got this wig for $35. This is a 10-inch wig. The wig was a little bit longer in the front, but I went ahead and chopped the front parts off, as you guys will see in the video. This wig was really easy to apply to my head, and you know, cut it, flat iron it, do my baby hairs, and I'm on my way out the door right now because I gotta go to work. But this hair is very beautiful. I didn't have to put nothing in this hair, and look how flowy it is. Like, look how flowy it is. I didn't have to put nothing in my hair, as you guys is going to see in the next part of the video. Like, this wig is bomb. And I've been wanting a bob wig, but I've been getting tired of having to put, like, do like a lace wig, lay my, you know, lace, do my baby hair. So I was like, I want something easy. So that's why I went ahead and got this this wig off of Amazon. I ordered it last night and it was at my doorstep this morning, so it came really quick. This wig is from Beautier Hair. This is from Amazon, and I got the wig for $35, and it's a 10-inch wig. So you guys want to see how I put this wig on my head? Very easy, very simple for us mommies on the go. As you guys know, I do have alopecia, so this was really easy for me. I just laid a little bit on my baby hairs and put this wig on and out the door. So if you want to see how I put this wig, lay this wig right out the box, then keep watching.